morning, everyone. This is Ryan Edner with your Wednesday, January 8th, 2020 morning market commentary. First thing we'll point out, which everyone's going to be talking about today, is additional Iran headlines. And there's plenty of them here from our counterattack last night. We'll want to keep very close watch on additional headlines today. But what we want to point out first thing this morning is that outside markets are not moving much from those headlines. Crude, at the time of this recording, down just 77 cents at 61.93. Stocks were up just 1 point, 18,527. Gold up $4, 1278.4. Those are the three markets we would seeing the largest reaction to any Iran headlines. So seeing those three markets calm might also imply that grain markets may not react all that much here after 8:30. So given that, and again, we'll keep an eye out for additional headlines. Let's quickly turn focus to the fact that all the estimates came out for Friday's January crop report. Very little change for wheat at all. Corn, lowering carryout 153 million bushels. Analysts are looking for 1.757. Beans looking for carryout to go down just slightly as well. 51 million bushels to 0.424. So again, slight reductions. Looking just briefly at the details of how we get to those numbers, looking for a 0.8 bushel decline in corn yield, 465,000 fewer acres. On the bean side, a 0.3 bushel decline in yield with 164,000 fewer acres. So again, we'll say the analysts are looking for just a slightly bullish report on Friday. Obviously, these numbers came out yesterday. We saw trade didn't do very much at all. So while analysts are looking for a slightly bullish report, it could be that traders are expecting maybe something a bit more neutral. We'll just have to see how we go through trade today and tomorrow to see if traders want to pre-buy or pre-sell this market. Quickly flipping over to cattle now. A big surge here just a couple days ago in the cattle market, $2.55 higher. What we want to do is show you this chart of other big surges in cattle. We've had a 5-day surge of 385, and most of that was given back, and a 1-day surge of 245, and over 6 days, most of that was given back. So this 1-day surge, we gave back only 75 cents of it so far, but looking back on this chart, we've seen that big short-term surges don't seem to hang on in this cattle market, at least not over the last 2 months that this chart covers. Looking over at the cash side of fundamentals for cattle, we have an 8,000 lower show list. That should be slightly supportive. Last week's cash trade was 124. With that slightly lower show list, maybe we'll expect to see a 124 bid today, resulting in a 125, $1 higher cash trade. We'll watch out for that today. And box beef, after getting hit hard for another couple weeks, leveled off the last 2 days, bounced a little. Not quite enough for us to be convinced it's turning back up, but at least has leveled off for now. So maybe that allows the show list to play out as we would normally expect, like we mentioned. Looking for a 124 bid starting today, resulting in a 125 trade.